Hi there, this is Andrew from Hot Tub Focus, and today we're going to look at a few ways about how to keep your hot tub clean naturally, so without sitting in that chemical stew of either chlorine or bromine, which is quite off-putting for a lot of people. But chlorine particularly, it causes all sorts of skin. It can cause skin irritation, eye irritation. You'll know if you get out of a chlorine hot tub or a chlorine swimming pool, your eyes can be really itchy. Chlorine can cause respiratory issues. It's just not particularly environmentally friendly. So a lot of people are looking for ways to move away from chlorine, bromine, and that sort of heavy chemical way of sanitizing a hot tub to something a bit more natural. Now, there's a big blog post attached, linked down below, which will give you lots of detail and lots more ideas on this about how to do natural sanitization for your hot tub. But here's a few things to get started with. The first thing to say is that it's unlikely, unless you're very lucky, that you will be able to get away without using chlorine or bromine at all. However, you will be able to reduce the use of them, of proper hardcore chlorine and bromine quite considerably. By, for example, using a saltwater sanitation system. You can use the UV sanitation, you can use mineral sanitation, and all of those ways, they go part of the way to keeping the water clean and clear, but you will probably find that every so often you need to use a chlorine shock with them. If your hot tub gets a heavy bather load, then you may well need to just have a bit of chlorine in there anyway, just to keep it absolutely clean. It's worth saying that the official line on public hot tubs and swimming pools is that they have to be cleaned with chlorine in the United States anyway, according to my research. It seems that chlorine, hardcore chlorine, is the only thing that really guarantees to kill everything in its sight. So it's up to you though. You put in your hot tub what you want, can't you? If you're willing to not use that hardcore chlorine and not compromise on, well, not necessarily compromise, but you may just sort of have to accept that your water won't be crystal clear. Then that's your priority to do that. So those systems will make a difference. You can use non-chlorine shock. It's not quite as powerful as chlorine shock, but that's worth a try. Other practical things you can do is you can shower before you get into your hot tub, because all of the dirt and grime off your body filthies up your water. We're the main problem. You can also change your filters and clean them more regularly than is actually recommended by a hot tub manufacturer. You can change your water on a more regular basis as well. Now, theoretically, you're changing it every 3 to 4 months. There's no reason why you can't do it on a monthly basis if you're committed to not using as many chemicals in it. And the worry with that is that, well, you're just wasting a lot of water. And actually, to be honest, if you do the maths and you look at the amount of water that the average household uses compared with a hot tub full of water, say you change it on a monthly basis, it's literally, well, to use a phrase, a drop in an ocean. It's not a huge amount of water, really. So that's another way of doing it. So there are ways around it. There are ways that you can be more environmentally friendly, more friendly to your body really as well, and not be sitting in that chemical stew. As I say, there's lots of details in the blog post below. Have a click on that. Subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. And thank you for listening, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers then. Bye bye.